Okay, hello and good day everyone. No? So this is our last topic na for this lesson, which is all about the mode of group data naman. No? Pangatlong measure of central tendency siya. Now, the mode of group data, no? Ito yung formula na to find the mode. Okay, your L sub m here is the lower boundary of the model class plus your D sub 1 is difference of the frequencies of the model class and the preceding class intervals. And your D sub 2 here is the difference of the frequencies of the model class and the succeeding class interval. No? While yung I is the size of the model class interval. Okay? Now, example here, ito yung data natin. No? And then, no, your lower boundary of the model class here, no, is equal to what? Saan yung model class natin? Ito. Kung ano yung frequency na pinakamataas, nandoon yung model class natin, automatic. So ano yung lower boundary na itong class na to? 150 minus 0.5 is equal to 149.5. No, yan ang lower class boundary natin. Next, for D sub 1. D sub 1 is the difference of the frequencies of the model class and the preceding class interval. So model class ito, frequency ng model class at saka yung frequency ng ng sinundan, no? Which is 6. Okay, 13 sinundan ng 13 is 6, no? So we have 13 minus 6, no? Then for D sub 2, no? Difference of the frequencies of the model class and the succeeding class interval. So yung model class natin is 13 and then yung sumunod na frequency is 5. No? So that is your D sub 2. We have 13 minus 5. Well, your I is 5. No? Because 135, 135, 136, 134, I mean 137, 138, 139. So 5. No? Now, let us find now the mode of the given data. Okay, using this formula. Substitute your L sub m to 149.5, your D sub 2 to 13 minus 6 over by D sub 1 is, D sub 1 is 13 minus 6 over by D sub 1 is 13 minus 6 plus your D sub 2 is 13 minus 5 times your I here is 5. 13 minus 6 is 7. 13 minus 6 is 7 plus 13 minus 5 is 8, no? Times 5. 7 plus 8 is 15. 7 divided by 15 is 0.47 times 5 is equal to 2.35 plus 149.5, that would be equal to 151.85 for your mode. Okay? Next, below, exercise tayo. Below is a frequency distribution of scores of 30 students in mathematics. Compute for the mode. Okay? Now, here, now naka-highlight na yung yung model class natin. Now, what is the lower class boundary of 36 to 40? 36 minus 0.5, that is 35.5 plus your D sub 1 is 7 minus its preceding is 6 over by 7 minus 6 plus 7 minus its succeeding is 4 times your interval is 5 because 6 to 10 is 5. Ito yun, nakalagay na. Then, 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 plus 3 here, 7 minus 4 is 3. 1 plus 3 here is equal to 4. 1 divided by 4, we have 0.25 times 5 is equal to 1.25 plus 35.5, that would be equal to 36.75. Okay? Next, number 2. Below is the frequency distribution of the points contributed per player of the final 4 teams in 2011-2012 NBA Finals. Now, again, naka-highlight na dyan yung model class natin, no? Nasa dito sa first class natin. Then now, what is the lower class boundary of this class? Okay? So we have 0.0 minus 0.05, that would be equal to negative 0.05 plus your D sub 1 here, no, is the model frequency of the model class minus its preceding is wala na dito ang preceding, so 0 yon. Over by 26 minus 0 ulit kasi wala na sa taas eh. Plus yung sumunod here for D sub 2, 26 minus 9 times your I here is 2.8. Now, 26 minus 0 is 26, no? Then 26 minus 9 is 17 plus 26, that would be equal to 43. 26 divided by 43 is equal to 0.60, naka-round off na din yan, times 2.8 is 1.68 plus negative 0.05, that would be equal to 1.63 for your mode, no? Next, below is the frequency distribution of the scores of 40 students that took a math test. Compute for the mode. Again, naka-highlight na yung model class, no? Substitute na lang natin. What is the lower class boundary? We have 69.5 plus d sub 1 natin is 12 minus 10 is preceding, then d sub 2 natin is 12 minus 8 succeeding is 6 times your I here is 10. Now, 12 minus 10 is 2, 12 minus 6 is 6. 2 plus 6 here is 8, then 2 divided by 8 is 0.25 times 10 is 2.5 plus 69.5 is 72. So you're here, the mode here is 72. Okay, so that's it, no? So thank you for listening, and again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay, that's all. Goodbye and God bless.